name is Mike Cassian. I'm the brewmaster over at Oasis, Latin Grill and Cerveceria. Pouring a Cabo Gold, which is one of our Mexican-style influenced lagers. We're very, very happy to present all these to the Boulder community.
Hi, I'm Chef Bill Lewis from Las Oasis Grill and Cerveceria, right here in Boulder, Colorado. We're going to be doing a steak sope. This is a mix made of tomatillos, onions, and a little bit of pasilla Oaxaca. The outside should have like a nice crisp texture, but the inside still should have a really nice kind of interior. Just kind of cut this into nice kind of bitey sized pieces. We come over here with our asada, just a little on top. We're gonna move in with a little bit of a garlic chile aioli.